Here we go again with header materials, guys. We're talking about the same 30-foot wall, one window, one door, and we're figuring out headers. For header materials, we have to include the thickness of the trimmer studs that are going to be going into that opening to be able to support the weight that's going to be placed on that opening. So this is the how to calculate the size of my header for a 3050 window. A 3050 window is the same as saying 36 by 60 inches. So 36 plus, I'm going to add a half inch, which is 0.5. And then I'm also going to add 3 inches for the thickness of the two studs on each end. So I have 36, 37, 38, 39.5 inches for this opening, times 2, because there's two pieces of 2x6s or 2x8s or 10s or 12s with a half inch plywood in between to give you the overall dimensions of 3.5 inches. So 39.5 times 2 equals 39.5 times 2 equals 79 inches. So 79 inches, and then we're going to divide this by 12, and it's going to turn it into feet. 79 divided by 12 equals 6.583 feet. Just for that one 3050 window. For the door, it's going to be the same thing, 36 by 80. So here I'm adding 2 inches, which will give me this is plus, so 38 plus an additional 3 inches for the thickness of the trimmer studs themselves. So it's 38, 39, 40, 41 in total inches. So now times 2 equals your 82 inches divided by 12. 6.83 feet. Okay, so now that's basically the amount of material that I'll need for a regular 3050 or a regular 3068. But like you see here, where I'm talking about openings over 4 and over 6, let's say this window is now a 4-foot window. So if it was a 4-foot window, I would have to go to my 36. I'm going to add, now instead of adding 3 inches, I'm going to add 6 inches, because here I'm saying openings over 4 feet times 2 additional trimmers, or openings over 6 feet is times 3 additional trimmers. So here it would be the 36 plus 6 inches plus 0.5. So 36 plus 6, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42.5 times 2 would give us your 85. And then we divide that by 12. 7.083. Okay. So just keep in mind the size of those openings to make sure you get the right size of header materials that you need.